Complete the following definition of health as given by World Health Organization. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity, and is a fundamental human right, is intersectoral, C is ability to lead a socially and economically productive life, is ability to adapt to internal and external stimuli. So this is a very famous Viva question. Define health. What is the definition of health by World Health Organization? That is a common Viva question asked by examiners. So be thorough with this definition. The correct answer, as you would have guessed by now, is nothing but C. The full definition is health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity, and the ability to lead a socially and economically productive life. This definition underscores the fact that health isn't just about not being sick. It's also about being able to participate fully in society and to function at our best, both socially and economically.